Today we find the value of x if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First, this equation we divide by the a of both of sides. So we get a square plus b by ax plus c by a plus equal 0. And now this equation we made the a plus b whole square equation. How to make the a plus b whole square equation? We need first a square plus 2 this x, and we get the extra 2, so we divide 1 by 2 and this ba, and this equation, this is the totality of b, so we get b 2a square, and this is the extra term, there is the s, and this is the extra term, so we minus square, and this plus ca, this is 0. So now this is the made the formula of x plus b by 2a whole square, and rest of this plus, so b square 4a square plus c a 0. Now we can write of this x plus b 2a square, and this we plus of this a square b square, and plus minus is minus 4ac, and this 0. Now we equal of this 2a square and b square minus 4ac and 4a square, this is minus, so we get the plus. So find the value of b2a is equal to root over plus minus b square 4ac by 4a square. So now x is equal to, we get minus 2a and plus minus, this is the root b square 4 minus 4ac, and this root 4a square root is 2a, so there is the LCM is 2a, this and this LCM is 2a, and minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root over b square minus 4ac. This is the value of x. So we find the value of x. We find the value of x if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you can understand how to get the formula of this. And thank you for watching the video, and subscribe for more video. Thank you.